Hello, Stephen here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a featured contributor section to your blog. So the first thing we're going to do is open up your blog's template in the template manager. From here, we're going to add a new HTML module. Simply drag it over, then we're going to want to lock it, and then we're going to want to name it. Alright, so from here, what we're going to do is click on Edit HTML, and then we're going to go grab that text from the blog post, which I have saved over here. And paste that in here. Now you'll notice that on line 2, it's looking for the ID of our blog. The way we get that is come over to our blog manager. And if you look at the address bar, you can see that there's two ID numbers within the URL. The first one is your portal ID, and the second one is actually the ID of the blog itself, which is what we're looking for. So copy that and paste that onto line 2. And then if we come to preview and scroll down, you can see we have our nicely output list of contributors. Now, unfortunately, not all of our authors actually have a portrait. So if this is something that you're looking to do for your blog, either don't include portraits or make sure that all of your authors have one. And if we just flip back and forth between preview a few times, you can see that we get a unique set of authors each time. And that's really all there is to it. If you wanted to be able to include this module on any page on your site, you could optionally make this module global, which will allow it to show up in your sidebar to add to other pages. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them at the bottom of this video or the blog post, however you're consuming this. We'll do our best to answer them.